In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Brevo. We'll start right from your browser. Type Brevo into Google and open the official Brevo homepage. On the top right, click Login. For this walkthrough, choose Sign In with Google and select the Google account you use for your workspace. If your organization uses multiple accounts, make sure you pick the one with access to your Brevo project so everything syncs correctly. Once you're in the Brevo dashboard, head to the marketing area. From there, open the Forms section. Click Create Sign Up Form to start a new form. Give your form a clear, descriptive name, something that makes sense to teammates later, like newsletter, website footer, or event registration Q3. Names don't affect what subscribers see, but they keep your workspace tidy. Then click Create Form to enter the builder. You'll see options to set up the form. Begin by choosing the basic layout and overall structure you want. Next, move into design. Set your brand colors, fonts, and button styles so the form matches your site. Keep accessibility in mind. Ensure text contrasts well with backgrounds and that buttons are easy to read and tap on mobile. Now add blocks to shape the layout. Drag in headers, text, dividers, and dividers or images if needed. Keep the page focused. Fewer distractions usually mean higher conversions. Then add fields. At minimum, include an email field. You can add first name, last name, or any custom fields your list uses, but only ask for what you'll actually use. Mark essential fields as required and add helpful placeholder text so visitors know what to enter. Open data privacy and security to insert consent language in a checkbox and link to your privacy policy. If you collect data from different regions, keep the wording clear and transparent. Now click Form Design to fine-tune spacing, corner radiuses, and alignment, and preview the form on mobile and desktop to make sure it looks great everywhere. Next, choose lists so new contacts flow into the right audience. If you segment by interest or source, select the appropriate list here to keep your automations organized. Then configure messages. Customize the success confirmation, error notices, and any instructions for missing or invalid fields. Friendly, specific messages reduce drop-off and support better user experience. When everything looks good, click Share. You'll see options to publish or copy what you need to place the form on your site. Before going live, do a quick test submission to confirm the design, list assignment, and messages work as expected. That's it. You've created a clean on-brand Brevo sign-up form ready to start capturing subscribers.